What is drone surveying? Revolutionizing the survey industry. Imagine being able to survey hundreds of acres of land in just a few hours, something that traditionally could take days or even weeks. That is exactly what drone surveying makes possible. Drone surveying is the process of using unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, to capture aerial images and data of land, structures, or environments. These images are then processed using specialized software to create accurate maps, 3D models, and measurements. In simple terms, drone surveying allows us to collect surveying data from the sky instead of collecting every measurement manually on the ground. Traditionally, surveyors used equipment such as total stations, theodolites, and GPS receivers. These methods are highly accurate, but they can also be time consuming, labor intensive, and sometimes dangerous when working in difficult terrain. Drone surveying dramatically changes this process. A drone equipped with a high resolution camera or specialized sensors can fly over a site and capture hundreds or even thousands of overlapping images. These images are then analyzed through a technique called photogrammetry, which converts the photographs into detailed geographic data. The result can include high resolution orthomosaic maps, detailed 3D terrain models, digital surface models, accurate area, distance, and volume measurements. Because of this capability, drone surveying has become a game changer for many industries. In construction, drones help monitor project progress and measure site changes. In mining, they are used to calculate stockpile volumes and monitor excavation. In agriculture, drone surveys help farmers analyze crop health and field conditions. In infrastructure and urban planning, drones provide valuable data for planning roads, bridges, and buildings. One of the biggest advantages of drone surveying is speed. Large areas can be mapped in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Another advantage is safety. Drones can survey areas that may be dangerous for humans to access, such as steep terrain, unstable construction sites, or disaster zones. And finally, drone surveying provides rich visual data, giving professionals a much clearer understanding of the terrain and environment. Because of these benefits, drone surveying is rapidly becoming a standard tool for modern surveyors, engineers, and mapping professionals around the world. In this course, you will learn exactly how this technology works, how surveys are planned, how data is captured, and how images are transformed into professional mapping products. By the end of this journey, you will have a clear understanding of how drone surveying is transforming the surveying industry. In the next lecture, we'll explore the industries that rely heavily on drone surveying and why demand for this technology is growing so quickly. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.